Good morning mga kakikoy ko. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Kiko YouTube TV. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ako lang pala ay mag oil and filter change on my Ford F-150 truck. So kumuha na ako ng bumili diyan sa na yan, yung Sargent Auto Electric. Almost 13 years na akong nakipag-deal diyan. Yan, wala namang problema. Shout out to Chad Chilan. He's my subscriber too, See you later. So ito na mga kakikoy ko, Yan yung filter. Ito yung oil. As I said, always full synthetic. Ayan. Kung itatanong nyo kung magkano ang nito, presyo. Ayan, Ang price niya ay 55.50 itong isang galon na to. Ayan, 1 gallon. So iuulitin ko, 55.50, kaya lang chinarge lang sa akin 45.29. Tapos yung filter, yan, ang filter niya ay 1461. So ang chinarge sa akin ay 1854. So ito namang maliit, itong 1 liter yan, Anyway, not close to 1 liter because only 946 ml yan. Ano siya, ang price niyan ay ito, 1110. Ang chinarge sa akin 9.06 plus GST, good and service tax and provincial sales tax. Ayan. So total 7089. Ayan. So 7089, ano lang yan, So kung ipapa-service nyo, pupunta kayo doon sa shop or whatever they called, magbabayad kayo ng 100 or 120 or 140 pa nga. Ayan, kasi kung magkano yung presyo nito sa oil and filter, yun din yung plus another 50% or 90% sa labor. Ayun, keep on watching lang mga kakikoy ko. Ayan, i-jack up natin mga kakikoy ko. Alright, if you notice, I already jack up and then we do the other side over there. Keep on watching. So this is the drain bolts to all my Kiko YouTube viewers. Size of this bolt is 14 millimeter. All right, that's filter, oil filter, so we have to drain first the oil from the drain bolts. Keep on watching. Ayan mga kakikoy ko, last time I did oil and filter change on September 9, 2021. So over a year. Okay lang kasi work truck, and then at the same time alaga ko to, kahit bulok yung body niya pero yung mekanismo, internal organ perfect, 100% condition. Tsaka mga synthetic ang gamit ko. Yan, keep on watching lang mga kakikoy ko. Very dark. Look at that, dark. Alright. Ayan mga kakikoy ko, umihi. Very dark. Oh my goodness, mahangin. Tinangin. No, stop winding. Look at that. Oh no, stop winding. Alright, keep on watching lang mga kakikoy ko. So this is the filter wrench for this thing right up there. Alright, the size of this filter wrench is 93 by 15. Ayan, keep on watching lang mga kakikoy ko. When you put it back, a new one, just hand tight, okay? You know what, I hate this because it's set for horizontal, supposed to be vertical. It's easy to taking off and putting it back, but anyway, it's old type, so no choice, right? Still drifting to all my Kiko YouTube viewers, so I will sit for a while. Okay, I have to eat because I'm hungry. Keep on watching.